Hi everyone, it's Artis and hello Dan.
Hello.
And Dan from Man Carpentry. This week we started a job. Well, we've taken over the job to sort some mess out. And we've showed you downstairs some structural issues we got with pad stones and stuff like that. And today we'll show you how not to trim for the VLX windows. So if you can see, Ralph is going all the way, well, it should have been going all the way down, but it stops. Well, it's trimmed out as you would do double trimmers, but then if you look at this double trimmer, it stops here. So obviously that is not the right way of doing it, and this is just part of it. As well as that, this wall should have been built with the plate. That would be better, because then it would take the load of the roof right basically this way, even if it would been going under here. But and again, this is not right. I didn't even notice that before, so that needs sorting out. So yeah, that's how you shouldn't be building a roof basically. So because of the way it's been done here, I showed you previously what happens to walls. So the walls start tilting out, and that is because of the weight pushing on the outside walls. And then also there's a lovely well, it's not lovely, it's a mess. This dormer, the way it's been built, you need to have a air gap, so you don't have a condensation forming, because it will happen if there's no air circulation, which minimum needs to be 25 millimeters or so. So well, the more you have the better, but minimum is 25 for the airflow. So yeah, that's another issue which we're gonna have to deal with. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, we'll catch up with you soon.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Hi everyone, we have prepared one of the issues. I'll show you in a second. Got proper padstone in, lean tool. So we've got a few more left here. Here. And then right here we're gonna have to block up. And also there. So I've still got a little bit to do, but yeah, we're getting there. I'll show you once again what we sort of doing here structure wise. In the previous video you might have seen, I showed you there's no padstone, and I will show you what padstone looks like. As the padstone, it's a concrete cast size of the block, and we have managed to finish this side properly now. We had to put new lintel in because the old lintel was too small. He's taking some loads as well here, as you can see. Not a lot, but it is. So we got to sort this out, put a full block in. We have done here double concrete block, and then we're gonna put a padstone in there to do it properly, basically to finish it off. And then we can tackle other problems later on. I've got something to show you. Please do not use as a dry packing composite tile. The only tile you can use is slate. Don't use composite, it's not structural. Hi everyone, again we're going to show you how not to fix structural straps. These are hand tightened, so you can unscrew them. The best way of doing it is just using 7mm masonry bit, putting brown plugs in, and then well, at least 17mm screws. And you don't have to screw it as much as this. You just go one there, then one there, and yeah, crisscross, but not as many. You don't need to. So yeah, we're gonna have to redo all that as well, unfortunately. much laxatives. He'll dip in there.
I'm going to sellotape it.
You're gonna put a wax seal on
You're
it.
gonna have to put that lock on as well.
Padlock. Can you imagine padlock in the fucking plant?
A wax seal.
And don't use screws, use rivets. So you can't unscrew it. I got a rivet gun. Might as well just weld it up.
Oh yeah.